Hi guys, in this video we will learn how to resolve our checkmark vulnerability. So we just try to resolve one high priority whatever we had discussed in the last video. So how we can check in our application where we need to fix that we will check in this video. Let's see. So here we have found one high priority vulnerability, right? So if you over this, we have a one high priority. Okay, and what we need to do, suppose here we have a npg-sql. This is a one type of vulnerabilities as per a check mark. So if you over, we need to upgrade. What we need to do, we need to just upgrade the latest version. Currently we are using 7.0.2. Now we means as per the security they are expected like 9.0.4. Okay, just over it. And now how we find it in our application. So just open your web API, just go to the dependency, because here this is a one type of framework. Suppose inside the dependency, just check the frameworks. Is there any framework for that? No. So inside the package we have, inside the package we found like npgsql entity framework core postgres sql 7.0.3. So that one we need to upgrade like 9.0.3. So this is a one type of vulnerabilities. Okay, and we need to fix that. So basically they want upgraded version for this. So for that we need to just upgrade. Once it's one, just right click, update. Here we need to find npgsql see 9.0.4. This is the latest version. So just try to install it. I just update it. Just click on update. Apply. So this is a better way, means like install, as some due to some system restriction I am not able to uh, download this. Okay, I need to install, means that exe whatever uh, it's downloaded. So uh, so you guys just install this and just build your .NET project. Okay, and check if everything is okay. If code is built properly, then you can just start your, once the project is built, then check everything is working fine. Just rebuild the project, and then when you just push your changes, this is my branch. When you push your changes, okay, then based on the branch, you can just select your branch over there. For example, this is my uh, recently we just using master branch, right? So go to your branch, just select that branch. First you just create a one branch in API, make the changes, and in checkmark you just select your branch. For example, here you just select your branch whatever you have created locally and just check. So here if you go to the scan history, it's automatically, when you push your changes, then the scan history automatically trace this, and based on the timing it just rescan the overall repo and update the status, so you can check it's resolved or not. Okay, So in this way you can just check one by one all vulnerabilities and solve everything. Okay, so this is a step we need to do. And every time when you fix everything, upgrade version, then just first step is just build your project properly. Sometime what happen, test cases are failed, so we need to resolve those and everything. It's a very helpful, means using Copilot you can resolve those things very easily. So I would suggest build your project. If project is built properly, then everything is work. Okay, so in this way you can check, just create one branch, push the changes, and here scan, check the scan history and check your count are reduced or not. Okay, I hope guys you understood and you just resolve this check mark issue, check mark vulnerabilities, and make secure your application. Okay, thank you guys, bye.